In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to regenerate thumbnails in WordPress. If you've ever had a situation where your website thumbnails don't quite look right after changing your theme or altering image sizes, you're not alone. Regenerating thumbnails can be a straightforward solution, ensuring that all your images display beautifully and consistently across your site. Let's start by installing the necessary plugin. You'll first need to head over to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, look out for the Plugins menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Hover over it, and you'll see an option that says Add New. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the plugin directory, a grand library full of powerful utilities to extend the functionality of your WordPress site. Now, what you're looking for here is called Regenerate Thumbnails. Simply type Regenerate Thumbnails into the search bar and hit Enter. In just a moment, you'll see a list of potential matches. The one you want should be at the top. Once you've found it, hover over and click the Install Now button. Installation might take a few moments, depending on your internet speed. Once the plugin is installed, the button will change, prompting you to activate it. Click on that, because we need to activate the plugin to start using its features. Great! Now the plugin is installed and activated. You're doing well. The next step is to actually regenerate those thumbnails. For this, you're going to visit the Tools menu. It's on the left-hand sidebar, just a bit further down from where you first found plugins. When you hover over it, a drop-down menu will appear. Click on Regenerate Thumbnails. This page is your control center for the thumbnail regeneration process. You'll notice a button here labeled Regenerate All Thumbnails. Before you proceed, it might be worth noting that this process can take some time, especially if you have a large number of images on your website. Patience is the key here. Once you're ready, go ahead and click Regenerate All Thumbnails. The plugin will begin working behind the scenes, going through all your image files and creating new thumbnails based on your current theme settings and media sizes. As the regeneration process proceeds, you'll likely see a progress bar indicating how far along it is. This visual feedback is handy, letting you know that the process is moving along smoothly. Once completed, the thumbnails across your site should now be consistent and aligned with your current design settings. And there you go! You've successfully regenerated your WordPress thumbnails. This process helps maintain a polished and professional look for your website. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure that changes to your theme or image settings reflect properly across your entire site, giving visitors the best possible experience. I hope this tutorial was clear and helpful. Thank you for watching, and happy blogging!